In this video we are going to be giving the player a book that's got some commands in it which they can click on to run. So let's pop down a command block, put a button on it, give the nearest player a written book. Okay, let's press that. We've got a written book. What's in it? An invalid book tag. Okay, so clearly that's not working. Let's give it some information. Let's give it a title. My book. Okay, what happens now? We can see it says, let's clear the chat, F3 and D. We can see it says my book there. Inside, invalid book tag. Okay, that's a start. My book original. After there, let's give it an author. Author. Me. Okay, let's click on that. So it still says my book. My book by me. Okay, excellent. So we can change my book and me to whatever we want. What's inside it? An invalid book tag. Okay. After the author, let's define some pages. Okay, so the pages information is going to go in here. Apostrophe, open and close square brackets, apostrophe. That's going to be our first page. And let's put something in these curly brackets. Let's put some text. Text. Oops. Speech marks, colon, speech marks. Text. And I am going to say place and leave a space. It'll make more sense in a minute. Done. Let's give ourselves that book. Hey, there we go. Not invalid now. We've got the word place. Okay, done. Let's get rid of that. So we've got from here to here in our first page, we've got the word place. And I'm going to add another text. And it's going to go in there. So speech marks, colon, speech marks. It's going to be more text. And what text are we going to say? I'm going to say Redstone. Place Redstone. And I'm going to give that a color as well. Color red. Done. Give myself the book. Let's open it. Place Redstone. Okay, cool. Let's get rid of that. So text place. Next one is text redstone color. Now after the color, let's give it a click event. Speech marks, colon, and then the click event details will go in there. It is a click event. Let's give the click event some details. And we'll need an action and a value. So the action will be to run a command, and the value will be the command we're going to run. And leave that blank for the moment, the value just there. Done. Let's get the coordinates of this block. Fill, tab, control copy. Our value will be /setblock redstone block replace. Done. Let's give ourselves that. Okay, place redstone. Now we should be able to click where it says redstone and we get a redstone block at those coordinates. Clicking on place does nothing. Anywhere else, I think, just on the redstone. Cool. So let's have a look at that. Let's go back to the beginning. So inside the pages, we are adding one piece of text there, which is just simple plain text with the word place. And then we're adding another piece of text, which is text redstone, color red, click event, and it has an action and a value. Okay, let's keep going. So after that page, after that line there, the click event, let's put something else in. Let's put another piece of text, and this piece of text will say, let's say speech marks, colon, text, and we are going to put in //n. Now that means new line. So if we look at this one now, it probably doesn't look any different, but the cursor, instead of being here now, the new line has moved it down to here. Okay, let's put another piece of text after the new line. So that's after there, inside there. Okay, another piece of text. Text place and a space. Okay, and then after that I'm going to put another piece of text, place wool. Oh, there's a mistake. That one should say text and this one should say wool. Okay, let's give this one a color. So color, let's call it grey. If we do white we won't be able to see it. Let's try that. Let's get rid of the old book. Excellent. So we've got place, redstone. That one's got a click event. Places the redstone. New line, place wool. Wool has no click event yet, so let's give that a click event. Grey. Click event, and the click event is made up of an action and a value. So the action will be run command, and the value will be the command we want to run, and we will do /setblock. This time we'll say white wool replace. Done. So now we should have redstone, wool, redstone. What happens if we do redstone again? Could not set the block. That's the problem we had last time. We could always do what we did last time and underneath here have a command block which sets this back to wool, and then use that to activate something else. Let's add some more text. Let's add a description of what's happening. So after that click event, let's add some more text. Another new line, so that moves it down a line. Let's add some more text. Another new line. So now we should have a space. And let's add some more text. I don't know, click on the colored words to place a block. Done. Let's give myself one of them. Excellent. Place redstone, place wool. Click on the colored words to place a block. So click on redstone, click on wool. Okay, so that's working. We could use place redstone to run another whole chain of commands if you wanted, or this could say teleport me to the hub or teleport me to the shop or anything like that. Anything you want really, you can run any command off there. That is how we use a book. We put some text inside it and we can click on the text to run various commands. Okay, you might want to have a look at the notes because this is a very long command and can looks a bit daunting when you just see it all in one long line there. So you might want to check the notes that go with this video just to have a closer look. Okay, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.